everyone, my name is Aniket and I am a graphic designer working at Inesh Enterprises. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you how to use a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator or how to crop an image in Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see, I have an image of a tree on my screen. So let's suppose I want to crop this image and I want this tree section only, and that too in a circle shape. So to do this, what we would do, first of all, we would select the shape tool. So as you can see, I have selected the circle shape. You can right click on that with your mouse and select different shapes as well. So I would move ahead with circle. Okay, draw a circle on this image, the area which you want to be cropped. So I have selected the tree. Okay, so now this area has been selected. We would go back to the selection tool. As you can see, the boundaries are there. Now we would press the shift key on our keyboard and select the entire image as well. So as you can see, this entire image has been selected as well as this portion has been selected, which we want to crop. Now we would go to object, choose clipping mask, click on make. See, the image has been cropped. I have a tree on my screen now, and that too in a circle shape. Okay, so this is how you crop an image in Adobe Illustrator. So next, let me tell you one more good advantage of using a clipping mask tool. So let's select another image. So I have an image of a sunset. Okay, and let's go to the type tool and let me type in my name here. Okay, this is my name, Aniket, and what I want is this image to become a background of my name. So my name is currently in the background of my name is black right now, but I want this image to be in the background. So what I would do, click on selection tool, drag your name where you want to put it. I mean the area which you want to be in the background. Then press the shift key again on your keyboard and select the entire image. So you can see, I mean, the name has been selected as well as the entire image has been selected. So same procedure, click on object, clipping mask, make. As you can see, I mean, the background of my name has been changed. It's not black anymore. It's, the sunset image is in the background of my name now. So this is how you crop an image using Adobe Illustrator, and this is the advantage of using the clipping mask tool. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you would be able to learn the procedure of using the clipping mask. And as I mentioned earlier, my name is Aniket. I work at Inesh Enterprises. So Inesh Enterprises is basically a digital marketing, web designing and development and graphic designing company based out in New Delhi. So, and this is our website, www.ineshenterprises.com. And I mean, if you need any help in above mentioned fields, feel free to give us a call. Visit our website. You would see our contact information there. Feel free to give us a call. Feel free to reach out to us. And secondly, if you make a career in any of this field and you need any suggestion or advice from me, this is my number. Give me a call directly. I would always be there to help you. Thank you guys. I hope you would like this video. Please click on like and subscribe to my channel if you want. I would get back to you with new graphic designing videos as soon as possible. Thank you so much.